जय जिनेंद्र विंग्स टू ड्रीम्स में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैं खुशी जैन आप सभी के साथ आज के इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ अबाउट द टॉपिक दैट इज विजुअल फील्ड्स एंड विजुअल एक्टिविटी विजन 2020 प्रोग्राम एंड दिस ऑल टॉपिक्स बिलोंग्स टू द कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन सब्जेक्ट. So before starting to the topic, we have a line here that is having sight but no vision is worse than being blind, given by great lady Helen Keller. Okay, so with this deep thought, let's start our slide. So our discussion is about this is all the key facts that what are the position. There are 39 millions are blind all over the worldwide, and 80% of all visual impairment can be prevented or cured. Okay, and these are the datas कि कितने परसेंटेज जो है चांसेस है अभी कितने लोग जो है ब्लाइंड है. एंड सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज नॉर्मल विजन and visual functions. So according to the international classification of disease, we have classified the vision as normal vision, moderate visual impairment, severe visual impairment and the blindness. So सबसे पहले normal vision की definition क्या होगी? Visual acuity is measured with a Snellen chart. Snellen chart displays letters progressively of smaller size with normal vision is 20 by 20. This means that test subject sees the line. ओके, सो आप सभी को पता है कि नॉर्मल विजन जो है मेजर करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्नेलन्स चार्ट. ओके, एंड दिस गिव्स कि पेशेंट कितनी लाइन पढ़ पा रहा है उसके कितने फीट पे वो हम डिपेंड करता है. सो विजुअल इम्पेयरमेंट इज डिफाइंड एज द लिमिटेशन ऑफ एक्शंस एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ द विजुअल सिम्टम्स एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO इट इज व्हाट विजुअल इम्पेयरमेंट नॉट करेक्टेड बाय स्टैंडर्ड ग्लासेस. Wait a minute. Yeah, so WHO, according to WHO, visual acuity less than 3 by 60. Also, if finger counting at 3 meters and visual field is less than 10 degrees, then we will say it as a blindness. So सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन जो आपकी इस PPT से आने वाला है that is what is the definition of blindness in your community subject. So you must learn कि visual acuity less than 3 by 60 और counting finger से 3 meter and visual field जो होगा less than 10 degree is in better eye. It is must say in better eye. Okay, so this is known as blindness. ऐसे इंसान जिनके पास ये 3 फाइंडिंग्स हैं उन्हें हम कहेंगे दैट इज ही और शी इज ब्लाइंड. नाउ ब्लाइंडनेस को हमने डिवाइड किया है इन दो फॉलोइंग टाइप्स दैट आर इकोनॉमिकल ब्लाइंडनेस, सोशल, मैनिफेस्ट, एब्सोल्यूट, क्यूरेबल, प्रिवेंटिव, अवॉइडेबल ब्लाइंडनेसेस. सो व्हाट आर दिस बिफोर गोइंग टू डेट? नॉर्मल विजुअल एक्यूटी क्या होता है? इट्स द शार्पनेस ऑफ विजन measured as a maximum distance a person can see a certain object divided by the maximum distance at which a person with normal sight can see the same object. मतलब वो डिस्टेंस जहाँ से पर्सन जो भी चीज़ देख रहा है मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस पे देख सकता है नॉर्मल, और जो ब्लर्ड विजन है जो जिस पेशेंट को डिफ़िकल्टी है वो देख सकता है. दैट इज हिज और हर विजुअल एक्यूटी. नाउ व्हाट इज इकोनॉमिक ब्लाइंडनेस? तो इनएबिलिटी ऑफ पर्सन टू काउंट फिंगर फ्रॉम डिस्टेंस ऑफ 6 मीटर और 20 फीट, और हियर वी हैव मॉडिफाइड टू 3 फीट. ठीक है, तो जो पेशेंट्स ये नहीं कर पाएंगे दे आर नाउन एज इकोनॉमिकली ब्लाइंडनेस. सोशल ब्लाइंडनेस, the patient who have vision less than 3 by 60 or diminution of field of vision to 10 degree. Manifest blindness is just इनका vision 1 by 60 से perception of light तक रह जाता है और absolute के अंदर perception of light भी नहीं रहेगा. Then we will say it as absolute blindness. Curable blindness किसे बोलेंगे हम? द स्टेज ऑफ द ब्लाइंडनेस वेयर द डैमेज इज रिवर्सिबल बाय प्रॉम्प्ट मैनेजमेंट, कि आप तुरंत मैनेजमेंट करो और ट्रीटमेंट आपका मतलब जो ब्लाइंडनेस है वो सही हो जाए. लेकिन प्रिवेंटेबल ब्लाइंडनेस, द लॉस ऑफ विजन दैट कुड हैव बीन कंप्लीटली प्रिवेंटेड बाय इंस्टीट्यूशन. ठीक है, ऑफ इफेक्टिव प्रिवेंटिव और प्रोफाइलेक्टिक मेजर्स अगर आप कर सकते हो तो दैट इज प्रिवेंटेबल ब्लाइंडनेस. जो अभी हुई नहीं लेकिन अगर हो सकती है, आप कुछ मेथड्स इफेक्टिव लगाओ तो उससे आप प्रिवेंट कर सकते हो. दैट इज प्रिवेंटेबल ब्लाइंडनेस. ओके, so with that next, what are the most common causes of the blindness globally? So globally there are most common causes of blindness are cataract, glaucoma, diabetes mellitus, vascular disease, okay, or childhood blindness, and some are also xerophthalmia, congenital cataract, congenital glaucoma. Okay, so these are the most common causes of the blindness. You can see here this the graph estimated for the global blindness due to the cataract and other diseases like trachoma, onchocerciasis, childhood blindness. So you can appreciate here major part is covered by cataract only. So in India also most common cause of blindness is the cataract. One more thing I want to add on is कि visual blindness की जो हमने definition देखी थी along with visual impairment. Okay, so previously it was cataract the most common cause. After that, in the definition visual impairment is added, then the refractive error has become the most common cause of blindness. Okay, so it might be up in today's current scenario. Other causes are glaucoma, maybe surgical complication of posterior capsular opacification, and all this. So now what are the epidemiological determinants that may lead to blindness? So in children and young adults, refractive error, trachoma, conjunctivitis and malnutrition may lead to this. In adults, that is cataract, refractive error, glaucoma and diabetes mellitus. These all things are more common and prevalent in women. Malnutrition and vitamin A deficiency is mostly severely seen in India and also in other countries, along with protein allergy, malnutrition. Occupation, the people who are working in factories, workshop injuries, they are prone to eye injuries. Dust, airborne particles are more prone. Social class, surveys indicated blindness stress more prevalent in poor classes than the well to. Okay, so poor classes के अंदर blindness के chances ज़्यादा हैं because might they can't care of that. Social factors are ignorance, poverty, low standards of personal and community hygiene may also hamper. So first of all, prevention of blindness is utmost necessary. So how do we prevent it? We have to first initial assessment, then methods of intervention are primary eye care, secondary and then tertiary eye care, and long-term measures. So in this way we divide all the prevention of blindness methods. First of all, methods of intervention, what we can do as a primary care. So wide range of eye conditions can be treated by at grassroots level only, that is the primary health worker जो है वो ही grassroots level, that is PHC centers पे काम करेंगे और वो primary health care की मदद से blindness को रोक सकते हैं by promoting the personal hygiene, sanitation, good dietary habits and safety in general. Secondary care can be done by definitive management of diseases like cataract, trichosis, ectropion, glaucoma, and these services are provided easily by PHC hospital and district hospital and mobile eye clinics. Tertiary by the national and regional capitals. Okay, so in case of eye surgery, corneal grafting, retinal detachment surgery, which are not occurring at the secondary centers, and rehabilitations, all these things are given in the tertiary care centers. So these are the things how can we prevent the blindness. Okay, methods of intervention. There are specific programs also which are for the blindness, that are trachoma control program, that all his main aim is to prevent blindness. Okay, trachoma is usually rare now, but earlier this was more. School eye health services are given to the children's, and there is one teacher per 150 students was decided, and in this program that teacher will just analyze all the children and then send them to ophthalmologist. If there is any decreased vision, then this ophthalmologist will create his routine checkup, eye checkup, and estimate if there is any visual abnormality, refractive error or any other kind of disease, then it will report it and also treat it accordingly. Vitamin A prophylaxis is given at 9 months, and after that 1 year of age, and then up to the 5 years, that is at the 6 years until 6 years of age. So this program also helps to reduce the blindness. Occupational eye health services are also there. Long term measures in that poor sanitation, lack of adequate water supply, poor nutrition and lack of personal hygiene. So this all thing that are responsible, we should remove them and then we can achieve our goal. So National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment is launched. Okay, so this program is only of blindness, that was in 1976, but according to visual impairment, that is added in recent year 2020. and yeah, that is grateful कि ये target हमें achieve करना था, and we have approximate achieve it by 0.36% till now, and I hope due to the COVID the things are not counted, but in 2021 this blindness program has been achieved. So strategy of program are strengthening of the eye care service delivery, developing human resources for the eye care, promoting outreach activities and public awareness, developing the institutional capacity, increase and expand research and participations of NGOs. School eye a screening program where there is a 6 to 7% children aged 10 to 14 years eyesight problem. Whoever having the eyesight problem are screened by teachers, as I told you, and suspected are given seen by assistant, and then spectacles are given them free of cost. So vision 2020 is what the right to sight. According to this, there are the centers like primary center, secondary center, tertiary center, then center of excellence and apex. Okay, so these it forms a level that कहाँ से और कैसे आप 2020 तक हमें अचीव करना था ब्लाइंडनेस को, कि ब्लाइंडनेस जो है वो पूरी की पूरी डिक्रीज हो जाए केसेस जो है इंडिया के अंदर. सो विजन 2020 प्रोग्राम आई एम ग्रेटफुली एंड ग्लैड टू से कि अब हम लोग इसे अचीव कर चुके हैं इन 2021, क्योंकि it is estimated at 0.36% was remaining till before 2020. So this blindness has been achieved, and इसके अंदर हमने डिफरेंट लेवल्स के अंदर डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम्स बनाए हैं जहाँ पे सेंटर ऑफ एक्सलेंस होगा सबसे हेड पे. उसके बाद फिर हमारे प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शियरी रेस्पेक्टिवली सेंटर्स आएंगे जो अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स को देखेंगे, लाइक पीएचसी, सब सेंटर्स, स्कूल सेंटर्स, अलग अलग सर्विसेज को. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द विजन 2020 एंड राइट टू साइट. is the global initiative for the elimination of avoidable blindness, a joint program by WHO, World Health Organization, and was launched in 1999 to promote worldwide, which is nobody needlessly visually impaired, and where those with unavoidable vision loss can achieve their full potential. So nobody should be visionless. So continuing that, we have, I am already said कि M था achieve करने का, and we have done this. So global action plan, that was universal eye health program 2014 to 2019, and the goal of the global action program was reduce visual impairment, source to rehabilitation for visual impaired, and services for this many kind of services are given are free of cost to the patients of eye surgery, different types of eye surgery all over the India at all the levels. So this is all about vision impairment program. I hope you all understand it better. So please do like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you can comment to me, and if you asked to wanted to me to make video on any kind of subject or any other topic, then you can also make me mark in the comment. So thank you so much.